Hello YouTube, it's Naturally TV here. Basically, this is my first real video where I'm talking. Making YouTube videos, I get a little shy, so I just usually be making like vlogs. I'll also be doing a whole video where I'm actually introducing myself and what the channel will be all about. Just happened to get into the mood of cleaning my room, so I just wanted to go ahead and film it, right? Why not reorganize my room, do a deep cleaning on it, and just really like give it a little bit of feng shui. Or is it feng shui, or is it when people have feng shui or go through feng shui? I never knew it, but I'm always changing my room around. So like I said, my broom is back there with me because we about to get to cleaning. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and deep clean my room a little bit. It's like midnight, everybody in the house is sleeping, it's back to school, so I'm in the mood to like get a little, you know, fresh, like, you know, a rejuvenation, like a new aroma, a new setting, you know. I'm ready to switch some stuff up in my room. So stay tuned, be prepared, and relax, enjoy the show, because I don't even know how this whole thing's gonna turn out, but it's gonna turn out a little, it's gonna be aesthetically pleasing. That's what I'm going for with this channel. So yeah. I have made this video already, I'm not sure, but what I was saying is that but now what I'm saying is that basically I had all my stuff that was on this side. I'm switching it over to that side because I feel as if, you know, I have more apparel and more things over there. Not apparel, but you know what I mean, like clothing, like organization, like making sure everything makes sense in this area. And then I'm just gonna have everything make sense in this area, you know, do a little feng shui, switching around or two or whatever. I don't know yet, but yeah, so. Have everything where I want it. Now it's just putting everything back. I have to put all these shoes back. I didn't realize there was that many shoes on this two little peasy ass shoe racks. I actually got these shoe racks from IKEA and they're like $4 a piece. Yeah, this is really lit. I love these little things, and they're very sturdy. Like, I already this bitch on the fall now. Okay, so yeah, so like I said, they separate. Click that bit. Okay, just click that bit back on. Cooperate with me. I'm not about to play with you. Yeah. I do deep clean in this room too because it's really dusty. I'm not gonna put my ugly shoes out here because I use them for dance class sometimes and they be looking kind of dirty, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna put these, like I said, I'm definitely updating shoes coming in the mail. Like I just got these shoes from Shoedazzle. Thanks, Shoedazzle. you know, the little basic plastic ones. I never had them, so I just got them. I haven't been buying a lot of heels either because I just haven't been in the mood, really. But I just got some coming out soon. See how dusty these are? I'm actually gonna get them out. So now everything's lined up from head, literally, to toe. ASAP, boy. And it looks good in my mirror. Don't mind the mess over there. I'm using my phone. Upgrade coming soon. Just wait on it. Like, pretty much I have all my everyday shoes, heels, whatever. Like I said, I'm getting some more heels. So now everything's aligned, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up everything else. Nightstand. I have everything that I want on it, my personal things, which is my devotional. I keep this very close to my side, my nightstand, you know, it's the closest thing to you, accessible. I keep my devotional there because it's something I like to access first thing when I wake up, first thing before I go to sleep, and even in the midday when I'm just lounging around in my room or whatever. So I like to keep this here. Shout out to Jada Pinkett Smith because she inspired me to create my own prayer book, and I love the fact that on the front of it says optimist, and then on top of that I have already used this book to write my verses of the day from my Bible app and just my affirmations and things like that already. So it's perfect that I'm able to just continue to use this as a prayer book. And basically, just to give you a little synopsis, prayer book is pretty much just like, you know, your daily books that keep you going. Whoever you believe in and any higher power, you go ahead and jot it down, and you could always go back and look at it if you're having like a rough day. What I have on my nightstand very close to me is my daily business journal, I would call it, my creativity journal, my journal that I just write in, bitch, to do my chores, my to-do list, just like things. It's a 3-subject notebook, and it has 3 different dividers, obviously. And throughout the notebook, I have like a to-do list, maybe like travel plans, photo shoots, plans, like ideas, and even just like a set schedule or like a set outline as to how I want my photo shoots to be. I have that in here. I have some activities and ideas for YouTube in here as well, and just a whole bunch of shit that I'm just like writing in here. But basically, I keep these 3 things close to me. And I also just recently purchased my friend's book. Her name is Angel Marie. It's called Adaption 22. It has poems in here. I haven't really read all of it yet, so I'm very excited to see what is in here. On my nightstand here, you know, I'm a queen, so I gotta keep it here. I got this from a club. I was supposed to give it back to somebody, but I never did. So yeah, sorry, it belongs to you. You can have it back if you see this. But yeah, so I'm pretty much done with my room. But before I do that, I need to organize my accessories because I haven't done this in maybe like a couple months. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This whole thing is pretty old. A lot of things in my room, I like them because they're accessible for me, but I am gonna be upgrading a lot of things in my room soon. Since I've gotten new to this YouTube thing, I might, you know, just get a little creative and redesign my whole room, add things, take away things. I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and organize this and then show you guys what it's looking like because I'm done. So I was able to organize all of my jewelry, separated by groups and earrings, chokers, necklaces, rings, arm cuffs, silver and gold and silver. And now I'm gonna put it all back in here and hang it back up there. So boom, here you have it. An organized jewelry organizer. I have all my necklaces here at the top. and they're in their own individual. Some of them I like bunched up. I think I put like, oh, like this one I put like miscellaneous earrings, because I wear studs but I lose them all, so I don't even like bother. I just buy new earrings anytime I need them, because at this point I lose them too much. But hopefully with this new organizer, maybe another new organizer I will add to this little section over here, I will be able to keep my jewelry in order. But until then, these are about to be my favorites for now, because I don't really wear earrings that much. But yeah, so I have it all organized here. To arm cuffs, on my chokers. These are like my little bracelets I wear daily. I just have them all out, like my little, and then on my ring. So I did kind of condense a little bit. But yeah, so this is my clean organizer. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I love the way my room is. I feel finally refreshed, and I just feel like, you know, the whole feng shui thing I was talking about earlier, I feel like I'm ready for new beginnings, a new start. It's really good to reorganize and really just clean off all negative energy in your room. Light up a sage, pray, do whatever you need to do to take out any negative energy as well. My videos, I will be giving you guys a whole bunch of different ideas and just anything. That's not what I was gonna say. That's what I was gonna say. The end of my videos, each and every video that I have from this day on, because I will be throwing in like a little motivational final thought as to like, just for that video, like that's just something that I want to bring to you guys, and just to keep that spirit high and your motivation high as well, because just like you, I be going through it too. It's very nice to, you know, just go back and hear something positive, you know what I'm saying? Like a little bit of motivation goes a long way, and who knows, like, you know, that's just how I'm looking at it. And that's a wrap. Again, you guys, subscribe, like, and comment to Naturally TV, and thank you so much.